हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आर एजुकेशन सर्विसेज। आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे पब्लिक नोटिस 17 अक्टूबर 2024। सब्जेक्ट डिसकंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चंस फॉर सिलेक्शन इन सेक्शन बी ऑफ जॉइंट इंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन मेन 2025 एग्जामिनेशन रजिस्ट्रेशन। The Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India has entrusted the responsibility of conducting the Joint Interest Examination (JEE) Main to NTA from 2019 onwards. For the conduct of the Joint Interest Examination Main 2025, the registration process for the online application form will be starting in due course of time. During the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, the National Testing Agency (NTA) had implemented an options in Section B of each subject in the JEE Main examination, allowing candidates to attempt any 5 questions out of a total of 10 questions since JEE Main 2021. This modification was introduced as a temporary measure to accommodate the challenges posed during the pandemic and has been in practice till the year 2024 for JEE Main examination. Since the declaration of UN World Health Organization (WHO) on the COVID-19 as an end of public health emergency on 5 May 2023, it has been decided to discontinue the optional selection of questions. The examination structure would return to its original format, where Section B will contain only 5 questions per subject, and candidates will be required to attempt all 5 questions without any options for selection in JEE Main to 2025 for Paper 1, BE, BTech, Paper 2A, BArch and Paper 2B, B Planning. With reference to the modification mentioned above, the detailed pattern of examination will be available in Information Bulletin of JEE Main 2025. For further clarification related to JEE Main 2025, the candidates are advised to keep visiting the official website of NTA, nta.ac.in, jemain.nta.nic.in for the latest updates. Thank you so much.